Hello, it's Michelle from Recognize here, showing how to set up an automated employee anniversary program with Recognize. Let's get started. As the first step, you'll want to make sure that your employee data includes anniversary dates. These are your staff's start dates and their birth dates as well, if you want those included. There are many ways to add that user data, including a spreadsheet import through Accounts or a user sync through your chosen identity provider, such as Microsoft Cloud or Yammer. Check out our Help Center for more on adding or syncing user data. Once that data is set up, you're ready to customize your anniversary program by first opening your company admin, and then Anniversaries, where you'll customize the events. You may notice that the anniversary recognition options are disabled by default. To enable them, switch the toggle underneath each badge to the On position. Recognize has built-in anniversary recognition options for every work milestone up to 60 years, and each one can be enabled or disabled individually. It's designed to allow you full control over how the program works. So you might decide to celebrate every milestone, or perhaps only major milestones like 1 year, 3 years, 5 years, and so on. With each milestone badge, you can customize the subject and body of the message and specify the points value if you're using points. Once enabled, points are an optional monetary component to recognitions that allow staff to then exchange their points to redeem items that you've configured via the rewards tool. And the final step in setting up the program is to choose which notifications you'd like to enable. Click the Notifications tab at the top of the Anniversaries page, and then make those selections according to your roles and teams. So, for example, do you want all managers to receive an email when one of their direct reports has a work anniversary? Now that they're set up, the anniversary recognitions will be sent automatically along with their associated notifications, and colleagues can comment on or like recognitions for their peers. Recognize does not store nor release birth years, so never a need to worry about anyone who may be a little sensitive to having that information made public. And staff can choose to have their anniversary recognition sent privately as well in their profile settings. And there you have it, a fully automated employee anniversary recognition program in 10 minutes or less. Thanks for watching.